Do you want to learn the sound? The sound is called the throat bass and was the first sound that I learned and was popularized by Codfish in GBB 2018. We can divide this tutorial in two steps. The first step is drinking water, a lot of water before and after practicing. It's better to do it for the safety of your vocal tract, for your throat. Okay, let's get to the real step. The focal step is going to be clearing your throat, like if you were beginning to cough. So the muscles are going to be the same. You feel this closure of the muscles at the back of your throat when you start coughing, so that the air doesn't come through at the beginning, but then it bursts out all at once. And that's the exact muscle that we are going to use to produce this throat bass. So we want to squeeze that muscle gently, so it's going to sound something like this. And we let the air and our voice flow through this small gap that is left from the squeezing. So it's going to sound something like Alright, you got it. This is the throat bass. Tutorial is over. Thank you very much for watching.
Nope.
That's what I'd like to say, but no, I've got a small extra tip for you that will save you at the beginning and will get you to do throat bass longer, to be more sustainable and to avoid injuries. Alright, at the beginning we want to use a softer and breathier voice to initiate the throat bass. We are going to use a voice like this, and let's start with our mouth closed, producing an M sound, a mumbling sound. So and then we'll add that small glottal attack. You got it, this is the throat bass. In a basic beat, it will sound something like this. If this tutorial was helpful to you, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.